So, hello everyone. Apologies for not having uploaded in a little while. I'm actually a bit sick as of right now as well. I got a very terrible migraine. So, but I have a package here and we're gonna take a look at. I've lost my blade actually, so I might have to do this in another way to open this motherfucker. Let's do it like that. And then, let me just take a look. There we go. Alright. So, let's take a look here. I can see him. There he is. Oh, nice. Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry. There we go. So we have here the Tomy Diesel 10. Look at this guy's condition. I mean, it's not going to get much better than that. Look at his face. I mean, you know how quickly his face chips. Or how it's going to look. But this guy's looking awesome. Here's a Tomy. His traction tires are still looking okay. Nice. I don't think he has a battery. He does not, which is good. I have a battery right here. Doesn't run. Oh, but there we go. Oh. Okay. Well, we know type of noise this guy makes. I'm not gonna let him run with that much noise. So I'm first gonna give him a spray of WD-40 probably before I will run him. Because, well, this guy is terribly stuck. So, I'll see you guys in a little second when I've done my stuff to him. Alright, so we're back at the layout. I've added some WD-40 to his motor, so I want him to run better now. Mavis here is also looking quite great. And it's going to be easy. This running session is going to be nice. Yeah, Mavis is going to be running alongside him. Without further ado, I think it's time we start running these two. So Mavis, you'll be first. You'll catch up. You'll speed up. And Diesel 10 here, he's a good runner. He's a really good runner. Here he goes. So he's a fast guy, as you can see. Extremely fast. I could have also run my Trackmaster Diesel 10 right next to him, but I didn't. Yeah, since I do actually still have a Trackmaster one. Should have probably picked that up to do a little comparison. But since I'm not feeling too good, I think I should do that another time. Oh, maybe it's got stuck. Look at him go, man. This guy's quick. And he brings back a lot of memories as well, because I had him when I was a child. The Tomy Diesel 10. But yeah, awesome stuff. Here's Mavis. You can see Diesel 10 in the background right there. Yeah, she is sped up now. She's doing fine, just fine. Absolutely fantastic. Here's Diesel 10 again. Oh my gosh, this guy is moving. Set our camera up right here. There he is. This guy's got places to be. I gave him some new traction tires as well. Since, well, his old ones were still okay, but I just always give my new engines new traction tires. Just, unless they're like ultra extremely good, like they've never been used basically. But Diesel 10s, his were okay. Look at him go. Incredibly fast. Mavis over here is doing awesome as well. So I'm going to end the video off right here. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all have had a nice start to 2026. And thank you so much for 500 subscribers, if I didn't say that yet. But I grew so much. I mean, I'm already at 555 or something like right now. It's absolutely absurd. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.